Thank you for your purchase of the Kanova Workshop ramp test fixture. To begin assembling the fixture, all you need to do is break the parts out of the sheet that it came on. There are tabs on each sheet that keep the parts in place. If you wish, you could use an X-Acto knife to cut the tabs to reduce the chances of the material splitting out. Continue for the rest of the parts. Once you have all the parts broken out of the main sheet, assembly is as simple as inserting the cross pieces into the side pieces. Followed by inserting the gauge on the top with the 5 at the top of the ramp. Assembly is now complete. Once you have finished assembly, place your ramp test fixture inside your laser underneath your nozzle so that it is square with the travel and the axis you want to test in. Adjust the height of the nozzle to the top corner of the fixture ramp so that a piece of paper is snug under the nozzle. Then test to make sure your nozzle does not hit the top of the ramp. Once you have properly adjusted the height for the ramp test fixture, ensure your controller is set up to move at around 100 to 200 millimeters a second at anywhere from 12 to 20% power, which is appropriate for your machine, may differ depending on wattage. Then hit the pulse button and jog across the ramp fixture to determine where the focal point is. The proper focal point for your laser will be determined by the finest kerf that's located on the gauge. Use that point to measure across to see how many millimeters you should have between the end of the nozzle and your material. For my laser, it is right around 20 millimeters. On the side of the ramp test fixture, I have included a height gauge for setting your nozzle height once you've measured it. It ranges from 17 to 20 millimeters, which is a common height range for most lasers that come stock with a 2-inch focal lens. This is also held in with 4 tabs that can be broken out for use.